What is up, friends? It's me, your boy Eric, and welcome back to another 370Z video. On this one, we're going to be doing my front bumper. I finally got my NISMO front bumper from the body shop. I had to do a few stuff that I wanted to do to add more oomph to it. So let's go backtrack for a little bit. Major shout out to Cooley Collision in Lethbridge, Alberta for getting this turnaround so quick. I'm really happy that they managed to get it done. Nice finish, very smooth. I love it. It's body matched everything. I'm just kind of scared that this is so shiny and then we put it in the Z, it's going to be like crappy because the rest of the body of the Z is just crappy paint. But I'm just really happy that they managed to get it done, 5 days before Street Wheelers. So I'm just gonna start buttoning up this bumper into the Z and we'll call it even. I'm really thankful that they covered it with this cover. It's really soft inside just to avoid any scratches along the way when I was going home. So now we are all caught up. Let's install my front bumper and yeah, let's try to do it on detail. I'm a little bit sick right now, so bear with me. So to remove your front bumper for your 370Z, you got 7 clips up here, and then if you go to this side, there's a 10mm bolt underneath this fender liner, so you just gotta push it aside, and then there is one right over here, as well as the other side, and underneath this obviously has a bunch of 10mm bolts. I'm not pretty sure how much. And remember that video when we were test fitting my front bumper? I didn't put back the bolt because I was too lazy. So I tried driving this in the highway running 120 kilometers an hour and it popped off, and I was rubbing it really bad on the way to and from the city. And yeah, so don't be a dumbass. Put back those bolts, please. All right. These clips for those bolts, see those? Yeah. So I'm gonna take those and put them right over there. And I think those are the only things that I need to transfer over. I could be wrong, but let's start with that. So now that we successfully transferred all of those clips to here, I think we can safely put it back in now. Oh boy, what is this? It'll buff out. Boy. Nice. It's a little dirty just because I've been doing a few stuff about it. But yeah, I am. Wow. Whew. All right, let's put in the few stuff that needs to go in. Shoot. need to bolt these, and I didn't bolt them. Son of a gun. Let's go back. They go over here. Hey, wait a sec. Is this the right one? Yeah, this is the right one. Nope, that's not it. You need 2 bolts for these, but I only bought 2 sets, so I'll just put one over here and one over there. I think you can get away with just not having a bolt, but just for security's sake, let's do that. So unfortunately, I did not finish my DIY DRL project for this weekend. We're just gonna run the bumper without them, but these are actually called DRL finishers. These are not for the DRL holes. It's actually for that small stinking vent there. I was actually kind of thinking like, should I just like drill these holes and just like make it functional? But yeah. So these ones are easy. They just like clip on and then boom, call it good. I'm not gonna clean and screw it. I'm gonna detail the entire car anyway, so I'll just leave it like that. Alright, so it's looking alright. So that's good. Even though there's like a few missing pieces right there. That's fine. It's okay. Just for this weekend. So we have a piece that goes right over there that covers that hole. So we have that. These ones. I actually don't know how to put them in. What is this? Protector. Alright, cool. Is this the left or the right? I don't know. Let's see. Well, this video is a fail. They're meant to go right here. But I don't have the screw. I think they're self-tapping screw, but I don't have self-tapping screw right now, or at least a size for it. So I'm gonna go back to the dealership and get me some of those screws that goes over here. So if you're doing this NISMO V2 front bumper conversion, 2 things. The non-NISMO front fender liners works fine. 2, your non-NISMO under tray cover does not fit. So looks like I'm gonna buy an under tray eventually. This is gonna suffice for now. I hope it's gonna make it actually without any problems, because there's only gonna be like clips and 2 bolts holding it together. And I hope the other tray survives as well. I'll probably zip tie it for now because I don't want it flapping. And yeah, because tomorrow is going to be Street Machine weekend. This is the 3rd time in a row now. I'm really excited that the Z actually went through, its phases for the 3 years. So I'm hoping for the best that it goes well. All right, looks like this video is done for now because there are a few things that I still need to take care of. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, folks.